Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken pakora. This popular Indian snack is surprisingly simple to prepare at home, perfect for any occasion. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients, including about 1 pound of boneless chicken, gram flour, rice flour, and a vibrant mix of spices like ginger garlic paste, chili powder, and garam masala. Get ready for a flavorful culinary adventure. Next, we'll marinate our chicken to infuse it with incredible flavor. Toss your bite-sized chicken pieces with ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric, and garam masala. Let this mixture sit for at least 30 minutes. Then, prepare your batter by combining gram flour, rice flour, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Slowly add water until you achieve a thick, sticky consistency that perfectly coats each chicken piece. Now for the exciting part, frying. Heat about 3 to 4 cups of neutral cooking oil in a deep pan to a temperature between 350 and 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop the coated chicken pieces into the hot oil, frying in small batches to avoid overcrowding. Cook each batch for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, turning occasionally until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Drain them on paper towels to remove excess oil. Your delicious chicken pakoras are now ready to be enjoyed. For the best experience, serve them hot and fresh right off the pan. They pair wonderfully with a cool mint chutney, a sweet and tangy tamarind sauce, or even a simple ketchup. Garnish with some freshly chopped cilantro and a squeeze of lemon juice for an extra burst of flavor. These crispy, savory bites are perfect as an appetizer or a delightful snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.